Google has announced the upcoming launch of the Pixel 9 series on August 13, which will include the vanilla Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Today, 3 weeks before the official launch date, a video review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL has surfaced, providing viewers with a glimpse of the device's design. The review, conducted in Ukrainian and mirrored for wider accessibility, showcases what seems to be a near-final design sample of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Notably, the design features an intriguing geometric pattern beneath the iconic G logo on the phone's back, indicating that it is not a retail unit but rather a prototype. While the YouTuber behind the review refrains from powering on the device, likely due to it being a design sample that may not function properly, the video offers viewers an extensive look at the phone's design. Throughout the nearly 20-minute-long review, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is displayed both in hand and alongside other popular smartphones like the Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, providing valuable insights into its size and aesthetics. Apart from this, a new leak for the Google Pixel 9 has emerged, this time in the form of marketing materials shared by reliable leaker OnLeaks with 91 Mobiles. These images provide a detailed look at the potential specs and features of the complete lineup, leaving very little unknown about the upcoming devices. The leaked images indicate that the base Pixel 9 may have a 6.3-inch display and 12 gigs of RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro could come in 6.3-inch and XL with 6.8-inch sizes with 16 gigs of RAM. The marketing materials also suggest that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might feature a 6.3-inch display when folded and an 8-inch display when unfolded, along with 16 gigs of RAM. All of these devices are anticipated to be equipped with Google's new G4 Tensor chip. However, the camera specifications listed in this leak differ from those previously shared by Android Authority. According to the new leak, the base Pixel 9 is expected to have a 10.5-megapixel front-facing camera and a rear 2-camera setup with a 50 megapixels wide camera and 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro could feature a 42 megapixels selfie camera and a rear setup consisting of a 50 megapixels main camera, 48 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and 48 megapixels telephoto lens. Lastly, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might come with a 10 megapixels selfie camera, 48 megapixels main camera, 10.5 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and 10.8 megapixels telephoto lens. These details provide an intriguing glimpse into what the new Google Pixel devices might offer in terms of camera capabilities. Regrettably, the packaging of the Pixel 9 series does not come with a charger, only a USB 2 Type-C to Type-C cable, despite the device's USB 3.2 Gen 2 capability for display output. It's disappointing that a USB 3 cable was not included, which many users would have preferred. Google highlights the revolutionary Google Tensor G4 and promises a 24-hour battery life. Additionally, users can expect 7 years of security patches and feature updates similar to the Pixel 8 series. The marketing materials that have been leaked provide a glimpse into the potential features of the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup. Alongside Google's Gemini Eye Assistant and Circle to Search, there are rumors suggesting that the Pixel 9 lineup may include a feature allowing users to search their screenshots. One image suggests that Pixel screenshots could assist in saving important information for later reference, such as events, locations, and more. Additionally, the leak hints at emergency SOS with crisis alerts, 7 years of security, and Pixel feature drop updates, as well as complimentary access to Google's AI model, Gemini Advanced, for a year. The poster also mentions how Pixel helps prevent scams, phishing, and malware. This could be to recall the new safety features Google introduced a month ago. Lastly, Google will be giving Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold users access to Gemini Advanced. Yes, the Pixel 9 has been left out, as you can read in the terms at the bottom of the poster. The last poster showcases all the latest devices in the Pixel portfolio, including what looks like Pixel Buds Pro 2. We already know that the Buds Pro 2 won't receive any changes from the outside, but the earbuds are expected to have a slightly different design for better fit. The poster also includes the Pixel Watch 3 XL. We don't have any info about them, so we can't say anything right now. So stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup and share your thoughts on these exciting developments in the comments below. Take care and see you in the next update.